that you banished that man and the wife because of a mere snake.
What did you say? Because of a mere snake?
Yeah.
Do you know that what you have just said is sacrilegious? Do you know that? This is the very first and last time I will hear you say such a thing. You have to endeavor to understand our culture. So you don't just say anything because you feel like saying it. You can leave now.
Dad, what I'm trying to say is that what you did is against the law of natural justice.
I said you can leave now. You're teaching me the law of natural justice. Warn your son is tempting me, is trying my patience. Warn your son. He knows me as his father. He does not know Baka Babuleni. Warn him!
Nai, please. Please, Nai. Please don't take whatever he must have said seriously. I beg you.
I had better talk to him.
I will, honey.
Talk to him.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright. Talk to him.
I will.
Hey! Aziz Oliver, thank you for your hospitality. Imela.
You're welcome. Today is the happiest day in my life so far. It is not easy to have a promising young man like IKE as a son-in-law.
It's also not easy to have a very beautiful and well-cultured woman like your daughter as a daughter-in-law.
You made a point. Your visit to my house today will bring blessings for both families.
Amen.
I know we are going to hear from you people in no distant time.
I assure you, in no distant time, you will hear from us.
Like my father said, in no distant time, you will hear from us.
Hey!
Mama, use this one. So bye.
Hey, thank you.
Papa.
That is for me.
Use this one. Use it and buy cola.
Ada?
Oga, what you again? Hey, Oga.
Thank you.
I'll see you.
Hey, Oga.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, my son.
Hey.
Stop, my son, stop this now, stop. I should stop. Stop. There is one thing you have not told me, my son. That is why I ask you to stop.
What exactly are you talking about, Papa?
What I'm talking about is this girl you said you want to marry, considering the distance of their kingdom from ours.
Papa, you ask too many questions. Well, if that is why you asked me to stop, I will answer your question. Papa, can you remember that day you sent me to Umuna Kingdom?
I remember.
Good, Papa. That was the day I met Adako. I saw her going home from the stream. And something in her, I mean, a special quality that I can't even explain up to today, attracted my interest. And she looked very humble and cultured. In fact, looking at her, Papa, I saw everything I needed in a woman. That was how I met her, Papa.
Ikenna gwalangele kabo maka. What a kereka na enye nsogbu. Have you made inquiries about the family?
Papa, is it all that necessary?
Onwere ife a na-ewepụ n'anụ tupu eribe anụ. Maka na ọ na-abụ ajụghị ajụ welu libe na-ebute ayaga ya nwa m. Ịkaba ụmụaka, reverse this car. Let us go back to the kingdom and make inquiries. Start the car, let's go. Go and reverse. Let's go and make inquiries.
Okay.
Don't be in a hurry to marry. You must, your wife will still come. You get your proper wife. If Adak is your wife, you will get her. Revise this car, let's go and make inquiries.
Are you sure there is someone in this compound?
Oh,
good afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Are you looking for someone?
Yes, of course. Actually, we have come to see you.
To see me?
Yes.
Can we sit?
Yes, of course,
Let us go.
You're welcome. Let me go and bring cola.
Don't worry yourself.
Huh?
Actually, I know you'll be wondering why we are here. I am IKE Mwakibia from Umwegede Kingdom. This is my son, Ikenna.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
We have come to make inquiries about one family. My son has seen someone he wants to marry.
Oh, Lord. Okay, Choma, go no beer.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
The family he wants to marry from is Uzondo's family.
Which Uzondo?
Adako, the daughter of Uzondo.
To Fiakwa. There is no road there.
What do you mean that there is no road there? Is there any problem with Uzondo's family?
The family is also outcast. Don't put leg unless you want their family to be wiped out.
Traditional wedding and he did stay to the end of the event.
Is that the right way to show appreciation for honoring an invitation?
Well, you left without my notice and it aroused suspicion in me.
What is that supposed to mean?
Hey, Minike. I know about your secret affairs with some classless girls in your kingdom.
Ola, please. I don't want this now, please.
Of course you won't want that now. The truth is very bitter. But I bet you, I will not stop saying the truth until you stop being a Casanova.
Enough of this rubbish! Enough! In fact, if this is the reason you came to this palace, you had better take your leave now. Get out!
Minike, are you asking me to leave this palace?
Obviously.
It is not your fault, alright? I blame myself. Yes. Oh, you think I am begging you to marry me, right? Listen, you can sleep with hundreds of girls in your kingdom. I do not care.
Then stop foisting yourself on me. Stop it!
Eunice and Monica.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me not meet my kitchen the way I met it today again in this house.
Yes, sorry, ma.
Don't you know that a woman's kitchen should be clean at all times?
It will never happen again, my queen. We are sorry.
Get out. Please just go. Olako. Why are you crying? Sit down, sit down. What is it, my dear?
It's Eminike. Eminike is always hurting my feelings every time we are together. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Don't talk like that. Eminike loves you. You know, I know my son loves you so much, okay?
If he loves me, let him show it. He doesn't treat me well. He thinks I'm a nuisance.
No,
I don't know why.
Don't sound like that. My son loves you. You know men and their ego. Eminike talks good about you. He loves you. And trust me.
If he does, let him show it. I know why he's doing all these things to me because of those numerous girlfriends of his. I know why. That is why he's doing this to me.
Okay. I promise I'll talk to him. Okay? I'll talk to him. He loves you. Clean your eyes. It's okay. It's okay, my dear.
Okay. He said that if I don't leave, he will throw me out.
What? Eminike said that to you?
Yes, he said that.
That he would throw you out of this palace?
Yes, he said that.
It's okay, my dear. He loves you. Just give me a few minutes. Make yourself comfortable. Did you tell Olako anything?
I didn't tell her anything.
She walked into the living room crying. Did you tell her to leave this palace?
No, Mom, I didn't. Instead, she was the one that insulted me. If she thinks being a princess is a guarantee for her to be blabbing her mouth anyhow she wants, it's unfortunate. Oh yes, because she has to go back to her father's kingdom and do that.
Emenike, Olako is a woman. And every woman needs to be pampered.
Mom, she's not the only woman I've known in my life. Oh yes, you are also a woman. And you don't behave the way she does.
She said you have a secret lover. Emenike, is that true?
Mom, Princess Olak is up to something. Oh yes. But one thing is certain. I will not allow her to override me.
Emenike, don't forget the cordial relationship between their family and ours. She is a woman and needs to be pampered. Come on, son. Don't always overreact over her actions. Please.
Then you need to talk to her. She's has too much right. Yes.
Are you still crying over this? How long are you going to cry? Eh?
Mama, whosoever comes to leave this place shall never see peace in his or her life.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Ikenna is not the only young man on earth. He is not.
This is the second time this kind of thing has happened to me. Why are people this wicked?
Don't worry. Don't kill yourself. Eh? If Ikenna is destined to be your husband, he must surely come back to you. It's okay.
Mama, my heart burns like fire. How can I bear this? How can I bear this?
Let's go inside. Let's go.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my prince.
Good evening, my prince.
I have been knocking on the front door and nobody answered.
We are here.
Oh,
we are here.
Okay. Please, is Mazus on the inn?
He is not, my prince.
Did he go far?
Yes.
Okay, if he comes back, please do tell him that I was here, okay?
Okay, my prince.
It's alright.
Okay, my prince.
What is wrong with her? She seems to be crying.
No, she's fine. There's no problem. She's fine.
I'm okay, my prince.
You're fine?
I'm okay, my prince.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's alright. All the same, if he comes back, please deliver my message, okay?
Okay, my prince.
There's so much evil and abomination all around. There's so much evil and abomination all around. If enemy, if enemy, if enemy, if enemy, I run it, I run it, if enemy, I run it, if enemy.
Ichie, what is our prince doing in the house of Anuso?
I don't know.
You don't know? Mazu Zondo has a grown-up daughter.
If he has, what about it?
It is possible.
Hey! Hey! Uncle Kukwe, you like one on Weke. Uncle Kukwe, you want to one on Weke. I'm going to one Aki. Hey! Uncle Kukwe to Aki. I'm going to go to Waka. You want to one also? Hey!
You said your father wants to see me.
Oh, yes, he wants to see you.
Why? I mean, why does he want to see me?
I don't know. He just told me to tell you to see him at your convenient time. Are you scared?
Scared? Why should I be scared of your dad?
I don't know.
I'm not a thief. I'm not a murderer. I didn't kidnap her daughter, so why should I be scared of your father?
You are a thief. You stole my heart. That's what you are. You're a thief.
Hello. Oh my God, sweetheart. How do you love? I'm fine. Honey, please hold on a second. I'm so sorry. See, I lost your number the moment I stepped into this country. I'm so sorry. Of course, I missed you so much and I love you. You know that. I'm so sorry. Oh, cherry pie. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you do this in front of me? How dare you? How dare you disrespect me like this? What is wrong with you? Hello. Yes. Listen to me and listen carefully. Don't you ever call this number again. Do you understand me? Do you understand me, you fool? You husband snatcher.
Olako,
yes!
Drop that phone.
Fool!
Drop that phone now. Drop that phone.
I am not going to do that. I am not going to do it. No! What are you doing here? Come on, let's get out of here. Idiot!
Make it. Oh, nano mume. Oh, nano mume. If a joke, if a joke. Ogaija IKE. Ogaija Rioli. Ogaija Memamu. Ogaija Wanguli. Oh, nano mume. Oh, nano mume. Ogugule, Ogugule, Okalusi, on make a negio, Ijel and you make you, Biko Chabanio, Biko Ribaja, Omogin and negio, oh nano mume, oh nano mume, Igu baka, on make a negio, yes, it's in a chi, okay, mom, Okuloka, Anyanija Huzo, Ijel and you make it, Biko Chibanio, Oro Nano Mume, Oro Nano Mume, aye.